With Altair Monarch, you have the ability to access, transform, combine, and blend multiple data sources in an intuitive, easy-to-use interface. We are going to start by bringing in some structured data from an Excel sheet. Once we load the table inside Monarch, we can begin to cleanse and format the data accordingly. We can also extract or split values within any column for further manipulation with point-and-click operations. No code required. All changes we make to the data are then recorded in our change history for future reference or revision. And you can instantly apply a change history to a new dataset. When you do work once, you never have to do it again. To show our data access capabilities, we are going to bring in a PDF document with employee information from HR and parse that information using our auto-defined feature. This will identify the data within the document and automatically convert it into rows and columns. Using our combine function, we can select the keys to join the datasets together and even let Monarch intelligently perform an analysis to determine the best way to join the data. We can also choose which columns we want to display after the join. No need for a complicated spreadsheet VLOOKUP. Now the data I wanted to see from the PDF is associated with its corresponding match from our database. That relationship is now remembered in our load plan. We can now perform a group transformation to get a consolidated look at our total accounts by office and our total wins by office. We can even create a summary on the close date and add another dimension to our analysis. The finished reports are ready to be exported. In 2 minutes, I've built reports that might have otherwise taken hours to construct. Furthermore, we can save this workspace to create a repeatable process if you need a similar report created in the future with updated information. You can export any table from your load plan to any common platform like Excel or Access. We can then run all or some of the exports at once and even choose whether to overwrite or append tables, to update or supplement existing files.